Hey y'all, check this out. I gotta go up under my car and I gotta use this vac right here to find that air hole, find that hose that's under there that causing that exhaust leak. And I got my spray right here, so I'm gonna be spraying to look for some bubbles. So I'm finna get up under here now and see what happens. All right, see what happens. I'm taking y'all up under here with. We're gonna do this. We're gonna find out what tried to kill me. Up under here. There it go right there. There it go right there, y'all. Y'all see that mouth bubble? Let me see if there's any more. Don't see no one coming from right there. But there's sure a lot of them coming from right there. Y'all see it? Coming from that little pinhole. Little pinhole right there. Y'all see it? That's where that leak at. I'm gonna look and see if I got any more leaks. Alright. Found one. Hooray.